Have you been thinking recently that this might be the time for you to start learning how to program in Python? Perhaps you've started to cover some of the basics already through textbooks and tutorials, but now you're ready for a bit more structure, live guidance, a setup that will keep you accountable, someone to ask questions to and discuss what you're learning. However, you're busy. There's work, family, friends, all the commitments you have in your daily life. You do have a few hours a day that you're willing to dedicate to learning this new skill. If this sounds like you, then here at Real Python, we've designed a course just for you. Python for Beginners, Code with Confidence, is an 8-week live cohort-based course. This is a course for beginners, either absolute beginners who have never done any programming before, or those who've done the basics but now want to cover those basics thoroughly and take the next steps. On every day of the course, there's material I've curated for you from the Real Python resources, and you'll be able to go through this material in your own time, wherever you can fit it in your day. However, we'll also meet live 3 times a week. There will be question and answer sessions so that you can ask me questions about what you've been learning through the week, and structured lessons where we'll explore some of the topics in a live session. But that's not all. The glue that keeps everything together is the forum, exclusive for this course, where we can keep the discussion going throughout the course. I'll post more thoughts and discussions on the forum. You can post your questions, any code you're working on, and we'll discuss this in the forum as well as in all the live sessions, of course. So here's a quick overview of what's included in the course. You don't need to have any prior knowledge in programming to join this course. For this reason, we'll start from the basics. And the basics in programming include things like variables, if statements, while loops, and other topics. You'll also notice that there are mini projects very often throughout the course. This is important because this is a hands-on approach to learning programming and Python. We'll then move on to week 2 to talk about iteration. This is when we want to repeat something over and over again. Lists is an important structure in Python programming. And week 3 is all about defining functions. This is a bit like the superpower in programming, where you can create your own Python words, your own mini programs. A very powerful tool in programming. Data structures. Programming is about storing data, and therefore we need the right structures to store those data. Week 4 will dive a bit deeper into data structures. And in week 5, we'll talk about object-oriented programming. Now, this is a bit of a slightly more intermediate topic, perhaps, but it's important to introduce it at an early stage for 2 reasons. First of all, it's an important programming paradigm, as it's called in itself, but also it's very central to how Python works. In order to understand Python at a deeper level, we need to understand at least the basics of object-oriented programming. And then you can dive further into object-oriented programming in later courses if you want. And then in week 6, we'll finish talking about object-oriented Python and we'll discuss debugging. This then brings us to the final 2 weeks of the course, where we'll work on a project which will use everything we've learned in the previous 6 weeks. So you'll have lots of mini projects throughout the first 6 weeks, but in the final 2 weeks, we'll work on one main project. If this sounds like the course for you, one that combines high-quality learning material in a structured course with expert live guidance, and importantly, the flexibility to fit it within your busy schedule, then hopefully I'll see you on the next Python for Beginners live course.